Hello, my YouTube friends. Recently, I stood up on an interesting topic in OBS project forum. Apparently, in OBS Studio, you are not able to set the extension of your screenshots. So basically, you end up having a lot of PNG files that just occupy your hard disk with images of 5 to 15 megabytes. So, after reading the topic and finding some interesting comments, I came up with an idea. Why not build an custom screenshot plugin that wires directly in OBS Studio? So, that's what I've done. In the past couple of weeks, I created a very lightweight plugin that allows you to take the screenshot, select what extension you want to save the screenshot in, and also, by the end of the video, you will also find a surprise that I announced in my Discord server. So, the plugin is lightweight, but it comes with some nice features. So, without further ado, let's jump into OBS Studio. Okay, first step, we are going to download and install the plugin. The link is in the description, and if you are following me for a longer period, you know that you'll find all my releases in my portfolio. That's also um, a streamers community website. So the first plugin, and it's called Better Screenshot for OBS Studio. So straight to the subject. Well, before we are going to dig in downloading and installing, um, I want to let you know that you will be able to save the screenshots in PNG, JPEG, and WebP formats, allowing you to upload them wherever you want without having to use another external tool just to compress the images. Okay, now let's download. I will download the plugin for Windows. And hopefully, after this video, my friend tech coach Ralph will also create a video for Mac OS. So I will just download the archive for Windows. And actually, I'm going to close OBS Studio until I install the plugin. So after you open the archive, go to bin 64-bit, and you will have to copy the DLL in your OBS Studio installation folder next to your other plugins. So I have mine installed in E OBS plugins 64-bit. Just place it there, but this is not enough if you want to use the special feature. And for the special feature, you have to go back to my portfolio, and under the resources link, you will see a download TLS DLL. Just download it. And this time, all you have to do is copy this folder. It only contains a DLL from the Qt library. Then go to your OBS Studio. So in the root folder, then go to bin. Actually, if you just copy the entire folder, you can just place it there. And if you go, you will have the TLS. This is very important for our special thing in this plugin to work. So stay with me for the entire video to see what's all about. Okay, That's it with the installation. Now, let's relaunch OBS Studio. And if everything uh, was installed correctly, if you go to Tools, you will see the new tool called Better Screenshot. Just click on it, and here we have a couple of options. Um, this allows you to change the hotkeys for capturing screenshots in OBS Studio. Then you can choose what format you want. I will go with WebP because it's probably the most optimized for being used on websites or sending on, I don't know, WhatsApp or Discord. Then we have the option to save the image locally, or if you remember the DLL we installed, you will be able to directly send the image to channel in your Discord server using the webhooks. And this is the surprise that came up after I saw that comment on OBS project forum. And it sounds really interesting, so I said, why not? It was very easy to code. I barely used AI, only use it for optimizations of some methods in the entire plugin. So for now, I will not be using the webhook. So this is just basic setup. It works directly when you install the plugin. And here, of course, you can change the output for your screenshots. Okay, now let's close it and test. So if I press Ctrl Shift S, you will see that the original screenshot was also saved because the system works like this. It takes the picture from OBS Studio, compress the picture, optimizes, changes the extension, and save it to your new path. And now if I go to images and OBS better screenshots, you will notice I have the 123 kilobytes WebP image with the correct resolution and also the quality, including all my sources from the preview. And so remember, 123 kilobytes. And now if I go to screenshots, actually, I forgot where it's saved. So in videos, screenshot. Okay. So it's saving it here under screenshots. And as you can see, it's almost twice of what the optimized picture was used to be. So uh, until this step, you have a fully working better screenshots plugin in OBS Studio. But let's make it even better. I will go to my Discord channel. And if you go to server settings, then scroll down to integrations, then go to webhooks and create a new webhook. I already have one. And here I said that I want my pictures to be saved, to be transferred um, under my system channel. Now, all I have to do is copy the webhook and go back to OBS Studio, Tools, Better Screenshots, and place the webhook URL here. Now, once you place the URL there, the plugin already knows that you want to send the picture on your channel, and also allows you to write a message. You can even use the everyone to tag persons. You can tag any role in your channel, but I'll just write dummy message and hit OK. And now, if I take a screenshot and go to my Discord, under the system, I have the message and the image. I really thought that this is gonna be a nice optimization for such a plugin. It's something fairly basic, but of course very powerful. So, if you like this video and enjoy my streaming tools, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like to this video, leave a comment, and again, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. But wait, before I finish up, I made my schedule and I will be posting twice a week on Tuesday and Friday. Uh, on Tuesday, I will be posting tutorials, and on Friday, I will be posting longer videos with more in-depth informations and details. The next video that may be coming up, it's about OBS Studio WebSocket from start to finish, where you will be learning how to connect to OBS Studio and how to remotely control everything in your setup. So, if you want to see my next videos, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell button, and see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.